Just like the children of Israel on the way to Canaan, give them the sign. All the way to Canaan, use the sign. There's a proof to show that with them. You say to the Israelites, keep going, my children. You use too many signs to show them a proof. You chain the stick to the snake for them to know that you are with them. You open the path in the Red Sea for them to cross as a sign you are with them. During the day, you use the pillow of a cloud to lead them away. During the night, you use the pillow of a fire. Shakukwa wanamusa Zilaba kuri Swakuma Zilaba kuti batamashamba Swakuna Wala kaputo hakati Shinda kaungana Woniga sutemis Woniga sukomis Andi alinzatoa Yeguni munuanya Alindimifuiba Yeguni munuani sabale Efanisho wayunavela Woniga shikomis Shabu shita hulele Wanarabasi Zola bakuti batata Shabu na minazika hulele Helani lusile kuzi Yeguni munuani sabale Helani lusile kuzi Zilasile rufule Shakunzika hulele Kuisani rufule Ufana na ba Israeli Israel lokubayela kuthemba abachichandela yawe ayakhombela shubakile mara uhela ngakuthemba kabona kana Isai vanyika swikombiso nyike xikombiso xa ku ni chavelela ripfumelweni
Zilava xikombiso
xa ku tisa mbilu